Now good again. Rebound, bawa ng Custom. Steal by number 14. Nepinasa. Kick ball. Preset. Try to shoot. Yes. May kasama sa basket.
Foul pa yun.
May foul pang nakuha. Number 11. Illegal use of hand. Second, personal foul committed by number 11. Bonus shot. No good. Makukuha na yun. Custom, number 10.
Number 11, pass to number 15. Number 15, naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Binigay kay number 13. Number 13 to number 10. Number 10, pass to number 8, try to shoot. Number 11, basket. Number 14, dribbling the ball.
Hindi makashoot si Mirabili.
Pass to number 11, nakuha na number 8. Number 8, idiniretso.
Same goal. May substitution?
Last shot.
Yeah, reset. 8 minutes remain time for the third period.
Number 15. Pass to number 13. Last shot.
Okay, mga nakaupo.
18 seconds to shoot.
Lost ball. Last shot.
16 seconds to shoot.
Number 9, try to shoot. No good. Kuha na number 10. Number 10, pass to number 15. Number 15.
Kawawa lagi nakaupo doon. Alis na
7 minutes remain time for the third period. Substitution number 10.
Sino?
Number 13, try to shoot. No good. Number 5.
Maano kay?
Taking the ball. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Number 11, try to shoot. No good.
Airborne.